On today's video, I bought a 2002 Saab 9.3 convertible with the 2.0 liter turbo with the 5-speed, and it went from this to this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now, I bought this 2002 Saab from the previous owner that owned it for 6 years. He is a car enthusiast himself, and these are the cars I like buying. People like myself, people that enjoy vehicles, they put some time and effort into their cars, and this one, well, he has over $20,000 in the past 4 or 5 years doing this car over. He bought it not as a bar find, kinda as a bar find as you saw, but it was neglecting some love. It had a blown engine, and then the gentleman named Andrew went from one extreme to another. So we're gonna be doing another video with Andrew. He was kinda on the shy side, and when we were talking about this car, he got a little flustered, and it was kind of funny, but he's gonna come back and we're gonna do another video with him, talking about what he did, the pros and cons of this type of car, and I'm taking it to have some things done. Now, on the test drive, I noticed there was a clicking noise, and that turned out to be a front axle shaft. So I have to do that. It has a check engine light. Maybe it has bad gas. It's been sitting over the winter. Maybe it has a vacuum leak. That's what I'm hoping for. What else does it need? Oil change, but we'll bring it to my friend's shop this week. We'll put it up in the lift. We'll go through it like I always do. And then we'll do an updated video, hopefully by the end of this week. So I just wanted to show you the newest edition that I got. And hopefully I'll get this done this week, I'm hoping. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I do a lot of car videos, as you guys know, and I'm still searching for vehicles to buy. I still have my Harley Davidson that I'm trying to sell, and continue watching my other videos. I do talk about my life experiences, and I do my little travel videos throughout New England. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.